I am in Poznan now with my mom, and we have a big day ahead of us. So mom likes trains, so she wants to go to the abandoned train repair place, and we're gonna go also with Roman, who followed me from Kiev as well. This really looks like a meth lab or something. Like this is a Breaking Bad. Oh my God.
Yeah, I don't want to get too close to that mole.
And we're here to do math, and we're going to take a little break. We got to go to the university. We're on the Morasko campus right now at the University of Adam Mickiewicz. What are you looking forward to at the abandoned train repair station?
Going for a ride.
Right.
You can ride those trains?
I don't think they work anymore. I think they're abandoned.
Maybe if I bought a ticket.
Yeah, we'll have to ask them. Okay. Ask the guards if we can buy a ticket.
I'll ask.
We'll have some surprising places to go to. Neither Mom or Roman have been to an abandoned place before, so this is going to be a new thing. Now, this place is gigantic. This is just one of many buildings, and Roman and I still have work left to do tonight. And this place is also quite dangerous to explore when it's dark and it's already approaching 3 p.m. So we have 5 goals, and this is partly based on what my mom said that she wanted to see.
I want to see trains.
Yeah. So the first goal is going to be that we're going to find some trains. That's important. And, you don't want to wear any sort of fancy shoes. So, I'm wearing some kind of old shoes. So we will find some new shoes for Mom in one of the buildings. That's our second goal. Third goal, we need to see a forest growing on a roof because it's the right season for that. There's plants growing. And we know that Mom loves roofs of abandoned buildings. Also, Mom is married to a chemist, my father. So we've heard rumors of an abandoned chemistry lab, so we're going to try to find this. And lastly, there's a shelter in the basement, I've heard in total pitch blackness, where you can sign a guest book that you were here. So we're going to need to find this. All while avoiding the guards that have a scary dog with them. Mom is wearing the same shoes that we wore to Chernobyl. And I want to state very clearly here that if you take your almost 70-year-old mother to an abandoned place, please try to take her to safe places, not doing crazy acrobatics along the roof. Of course, we're getting a selfie right now. Hopefully the guards aren't going to come out. Website that's shared among people who explore this place that says what all the different buildings are. And the Polish translates, at least over Google Translate, to Hall of Diesel Cars. And the trains will be in kind of one of these corners. And I wanted to say a little bit about this place. This place goes back to 1870. And it's kind of debated as to when it was actually abandoned, but it's seen all kinds of different architectural time periods through the Prussian Empire, World War II, during the Soviet-occupied times. And it had 4,400 employees in the 1980s, and it was down to like 400 in the 2000s, and they weren't paying the employees, and they striked and everything, and now it's just completely abandoned. And we had to be careful now because they actually sold this place. And the time I'm posting this video, it might actually be gone. So any chance you get to explore this, you should go here as soon as possible. Roman doesn't agree. Mom is excited.
Excited.
Yeah. We don't have the new shoes yet, but we're going to find the train. Choot choot.
Can I ride it?
Yeah, you can get in. Oh, cool. I haven't seen this yet. See, Roman's strong.
Roman's
It wasn't just at the Hydro Park Outdoor Gym. He can move train components. Oh my God. I thought he was just going to do a couple pull-ups trying to climb up there. Wow. Right now, according to the map, we're in the tool room and heat treatment department. So we have all these diagrams involving temperatures and things. And the rumor is that this is where the abandoned chemistry lab is and where the guest book is. So this is pitch black. We believe this is where the shelter is, where we can sign the guest book. This is, I'm sure Mom isn't so happy about this.
No.
And you can just breathe in the lovely molds down here because very often this place is totally flooded. So you can't access here all the time. Like if it's a, oh, Roman doesn't like it. Mom found a broom. She wants to clean this place. The problem is that, yeah, they're selling it. So, you know,
Well,
and
if someone's gonna buy it, it should be clean.
this place actually, it was really kind of special to me because during this past lockdown, this is really the only place I could go. Like I could pet my cats, I can do math, and I can go here.
I hope there is no rats.
There's no rats.
Oh,
I haven't seen any rats down here.
Okay.
Yet.
There might be some clothing larvae, but no rats.
There is no food for them.
Yeah, that's the thing. This is a no life zone. So I think Mom she really wants to sign this guest book.
Yes, I do.
But I think Roman is fascinating by this sort of cave. You know, it's
Pants? That's not shoes. We need shoes. Not
But
pants.
we can.
is it your size? Okay, what would your wife think if you came back wearing those? Would she like it?
No.
Oh my God.
What is it?
Wow, that's, yeah, speaking of mold. You want to see some mold? Check this out over here.
Yeah, I think I don't want to get too close to that mold.
Yeah, don't breathe that in unless you
No,
want pneumonia
no.
or something. I don't know what that
I don't know
causes.
what would
Like,
do. Wow.
just to emphasize how you really want to watch your step. I think this is looking bad on the video, but here's a big pool of water. It's like a scummy pond down here. So be careful.
It's yeah, it's fallout stuff.
Oh
Really
my.
after the.
Yeah.
After Chernobyl?
My understanding is that this is the guest book is actually in a shelter for post-nuclear situations. Room with the guest book. You can see this is a special place. See the Polish flag, the Polish eagle over there. It's the nuclear war shelter.
Oh my, look at that. Appealing. Very appealing.
Urban explorers. So Mom is now an urban explorer.
Yay!
You can have some street cred because I
That's
believe
right.
the guest book is over here. We have a Ohio State parking and transportation pen that I got from.
Ohio State.
It still works, so we're using that one.
Okay. It's also.
But this is the actual guest book here, though. So
Okay.
yeah. So if you want to sign both.
Damp.
Yeah, this is a very damp place with all the mold. But the guest book has been around a couple years at least. Here are the signatures, and Roman signed with his fancy fountain pen. We're on the search for the abandoned lab now. Roman's getting distracted by the typewriters and documents and things. So, do you like chemicals?
Yeah. It paid for our livelihood for several
That's true.
years.
Roman says he found a math book. We like math books. Matematica, what type of math book is this?
It's.
The mold math book.
Yeah.
Oh, is it geometry?
No, it's like different kind. Like.
Oh, this is
series.
like a general, maybe like a calculus or a student book or something. You can come to ZNTK Poznan, you can learn calculus. This book's going to be a lot cheaper than the ones you're going to buy at an American university. It looks like Roman found a abandoned chemistry lab here. And yeah, please, if you come here, wear some protection. There is actual stuff here in these vials. For example, here, Mom is wearing some eye protection. It fogs up a bit, so I'm filming, so I'm not going to wear it. But you can find, look at all this powder over here, for example. I wonder what that powder is. I'm not going to touch. Definitely not. So like I said, my father was a research chemist for General Motors, and he did all kinds of chemistry. I know a little bit of chemistry from high school, but I wasn't as focused on it. I do know enough chemistry to know that that is something I'm absolutely not going to touch or get that close to. You know, when you're in a chemistry lab, there's a lot of danger. A lot of bad things can happen. For example, noises like that.
That was kind of real.
I was thinking more the shower here, that if you get something really, really bad and nasty on you, you can shower it off.
Yeah.
Sometimes it works. I know like there's some things that there's no hope. I heard like if you get like just like a little drop of dimethyl mercury on you, that basically you're gonna die even if you're wearing rubber gloves. Not everything even protects. So chemistry is a very dangerous occupation, right?
Yes, it is.
Math, not so dangerous. Math,
Unless you do things like this.
yeah, this is of course typical life of a mathematician exploring. You know, as you see our two mathematicians here. And we'll be doing math later, of course.
Want both of you guys.
Oh God, it's in Polish. Dwumetylogioskium CZ C4H8N2O2. Dimethylglucosone, okay. Oh, the little Wikipedia search, this says that this is useful for the analysis of palladium or nickel. I have no idea what sort of analysis. Any chemist here can tell me. I'll get a couple more of these things. The reason that I'm from Detroit actually is because my dad was working for General Motors and the American auto industry is located in Detroit. So you're saying, of course, that his chemistry labs never had such a nice view as this.
No?
Yeah, I know the nice windows. So if you come to Poznan and work here.
Yeah.
This really looks like a meth lab or something. Like this is a Breaking Bad, I think. Where's Walter White? What do you think that is?
I don't know.
Maybe we should take it with us?
No.
Because of the broken glass or because of the chemicals?
Both.
So if anyone's curious about my parents, you know, one of them's right here, and the other one does stuff like this. So that's all you need to know about him. And he's probably watching this now too, so he can comment whether that's accurate or not. Oh man, yeah, look at all these. I would be tempted to take a souvenir, except it would probably kill me. This is Siarchak Zelozovi Amonove. So something sort of ammonium iron type thing. I have no idea. I'm very much out of my element here. Oh yeah, that was a pun. We are now in a Magazine Główne, main storehouse. Roman is kind of stepping around in some broken glass. As this is the main storehouse, I think there's a very good chance we can find some shoes for Mom. So these stairs look very inviting. I think we might find some up there.
Oh boy, I get to go up there.
Yep, that's right. To me, this looks a lot like this is some sort of fire damage, either accidental or on purpose. It's really hard to say. That's nice furniture.
What's that? That's a hat. That's like a leprechaun hat.
Oh, that's like a beer drinking hat, pretty much. St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day.
You gonna put it on?
No.
There might be lice there, so you gotta be careful.
Geez. Yeah.
So this looks like some sort of storehouse. Maybe there can be some shoes, possibly at the end. Clothes?
Yeah, you can just wash them. You know, take them home and wash them.
Yeah, they're not that bad actually.
Yeah. Building blocks.
It's a
Make
good
a
toy
stack
for your
of them?
child. You know,
Yeah.
better than Legos.
Toilet seat.
Is it still working? Is it broken?
No, it's working. It's for.
Oh, for the train. Oh, train toilet. Yeah,
Oh.
that would make sense. Here we have some documents and things that just actually aren't even like that old and decrepit looking. That's from 2009.
Oh, a pen. A
Oh,
souvenir.
I would not have picked that up myself. Roman, Roman had the idea. It's like, ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the hell is that?
Warcross Shipson.
Wow, look what we found here. Pairs of shoes. And actually a lot more back there.
I kind of like those.
Yeah,
I wonder what size they are.
you can check.
American size 8? Or do I have to go European sizes?
European sizes probably. We're in Poland.
38, 39, I think.
I have no idea. I don't know. But
Yes.
if you climb back there, you have a lot more options.
I'm just gonna go here. Oh my God. But they all look the same.
It might be different sizes.
Okay, they have my size then. Good.
So we need to get something to walk around, some fancy shoes to walk around with here. There's some more around the corner right there. Objective completed. We found shoes for Mom. I heard there might be a forest on the roof of this building. Worth checking?
Like right there?
Oh. Let's go inside and see.
Okay.
I think it's very plausible the roof is like a forest because look at the building down here. It's totally overgrown.
Okay.
This building, we'll actually get up there pretty close and see it. And this is Hala Naprawa Podzespołów dla Taboru Kolejowego. These are words I don't know, so I'm component repair hall for diesel rolling stock. I don't know what rolling stock is. Maybe Roman has an idea. This is a cool building, so I was in here briefly in my other video, but I want to show a little bit more of it. If you dig around, you can find like rolls of this stuff, and people kind of just threw it around and spent a lot of time making it, just like when people in the United States toilet paper trees. Next to the yard, of course, we have the sludge and the gasoline, this pit. So you don't want to fall in that. You're going to get... Yeah, we're not gonna go that way. You probably could, but you could fall off. Just go in the go in the door. How do you like this rooftop? Yeah. You forget sometimes you're on the roof of an ancient abandoned building. Look at all that broken glass there, graffiti. More trees and forest. Yep. It's pretty impressive, to be honest. Yeah, Roman does good at the rope, also, which I know. I've said many times that Roman's a beast. Because he climbed that. He climbed that. Awesome. Yeah, that's amazing. That's cool. We've achieved all 5 of our objectives. There's a bonus dungeon we can go to, but my understanding is in terms of timing and getting work done, this little break should probably end right now. Roman has to do something, then we'll probably talk a little bit after that, do some math. I know Mom wants to go to more places. Goodbye, ZNTK Poznan, for now. How do you feel about the place?
I'm stunned.
And this was your first urban exploration, first abandoned building. We ended up walking, as it seems, more than 8 miles around the rubble and the pits and everything in ZNTK. So as much as I tried to do math afterwards, it really didn't happen and we just slept. So we are now actually just in a nice part of town. Roman's going to come over in a couple hours and we'll do math for the whole rest of the evening. Mom wants a souvenir, but just to see, not only taking her to dodgy places, she's actually been to all the nice places so far.
And also about the continued fraction, we don't know. There is some... Michal Ram said
So we are finally working. I'm going to just calling our colleague at Princeton. I'll just do the closing here of the video and then get back. So we're going to be going off to explore an abandoned Soviet hospital in Legnica. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Mom will be coming along too. Maybe you'll even get someone else, but I'm not sure yet. Meow, what is it? What is it?
Am I new?
Meow.
Oh, God. I was ready to wash my face.